Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and new video. I am going to show you how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. Okay, let's start. At first, open your Chrome browser. Click on three dot option and click on settings. Now scroll down little bit. Click on site settings. Now scroll down little bit. Click on third party cookies and now click on block third party cookies option. Go back, scroll down little bit, click on intrusive ads. Now click on enable. Go back, scroll down little bit, click on third party sign in. Now click on turn off. Go back, scroll up and go back, scroll up, click on privacy and security. Click on add privacy. Click on add topics. Now enable, turn off, go back. By doing this process, you can easily successfully. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.